In addition to unordered lists, we also have ordered lists. The list items in an ordered list are identifiable by sequential numerical values. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have the heading My Favorite Vacations, and underneath we have each list item. Attached to each list item is a number. And so this is an ordered list. Let's go ahead and create the ordered list in our HTML document. To begin, we'll start by entering a header, just like we did for our last list, which was the unordered list. So we'll start off with H3. Now to create the ordered list, we start with the open and close OL tag, which stands for ordered list. And in between these tags, just create an indent by pressing the tab key and start creating your list items. And that's what the list looks like. Notice we don't have to specify the actual value attached to each list item. That will be created automatically, starting with from lowest to highest. So let's go ahead and save this file and preview what the list looks like in our web browser. So there it is. We have the header and each list item with the sequential numerical value attached next to it.